Hello everyone, this is Shweta from VAC Global Education. Welcome to this video. So आज की वीडियो में I will purely talk about what steps should you take. You cannot just choose any college or university. आपको ये चीज़ समझनी पड़ेगी कि whatever step you take, whatever college or university you choose is going to shape your entire career. Either in Canada or in India, और अगर आप कनाडा में सेटल हो के इन फ्यूचर सो अब ये समझो आप एक कंट्री चेंज कर रहे हो, इट इज़ अ लाइफ चेंजिंग डिसीजन. सो अगर आप कंट्री चेंज कर रहे हो, यू डो नॉट नो अ लॉट अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर कंट्री. यू मे हैव रिसर्च अबाउट इट, यू मे हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट, बट यू हैव नॉट experienced about it. So once you will be there, your experience will be entirely different than any other person, because every person's journey is different. Now that you are choosing any course or any college or university, you should strongly look for that is suitable as per your profile and what gives you the benefit, which should add value to your profile. You should not just choose any random college or university just for the sake of choosing it or going to Canada for higher education, for the name of higher education, but to settle in Canada. You should think about that particular college, if that particular college is adding any value to your profile or not. If it is not, then you should not go for it. Also, leaving the decision to your consultant to choose the college is again a wrong point. You should always ask the benefit of different colleges and universities. Obviously, profile shortlisting is a part of the process जो study abroad की जर्नी है, but उसमें profile shortlisting के बाद you should always do your research also and always ask your consultant. Suppose you have got 5 colleges shortlisting, so you should always see which college is offering what. क्लास साइज क्या है, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज दे रहा है या नहीं दे रहा है, कोऑप है या नहीं है, कोऑप पेड है या नहीं है, और DLI अप्रूव कॉलेज है या नहीं है, प्राइवेट कॉलेज है या नहीं है, पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी है या नहीं है. आई मीन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू शुड बी कंसिडर अबाउट. कौन सी लोकेशन पे है, उस लोकेशन में जॉब कैसी है, वहाँ पे अगर आप पार्ट टाइम जॉब सीख कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे क्या पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स की अपॉर्चुनिटी है या नहीं है. You should always have these questions. Not just part-time just because of earning, but also when you will complete your course, then you should know कि जो आपने कोर्स किया है उस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स से रिलेटेड भी वहाँ पे जॉब्स हैं या नहीं है. सपोज आप ओंटारियो चूज़ कर रहे हैं, या फिर आप ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया चूज़ कर रहे हैं, या फिर आप एल्बर्टा चूज़ कर रहे हैं. यू शुड नो आप जो भी प्रोविंस चूज़ कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे किस टाइप की जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं, क्या आपके प्रोफाइल स्किल शॉर्टेज लिस्ट का पार्ट है या नहीं है. यू शुड नो ऑल दीज थिंग्स. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट ब्लाइंडली गो एंड टेक एनी कॉलेज. दिस मे टेक योर प्रोसीजर लिटिल बिट, आई वुड नॉट से डिफिकल्ट, बट हार्ड, because you will have to do some research from your end also, but this will make your career enhance. You should always be focused on your career, not just for how you will get into the country, if you will get visa or not. If your profile is good, if everything is good, you will definitely get your visa. Obviously there are rejections, everybody almost, I mean, so many people are facing rejections even if their profile does not have anything to get rejected, because it's not in our hands, it's not in your hands, it's in immigration's hand. They can take the decision on whatever ground they feel you are not suitable for. You should know how you can justify it. So before choosing any college or university, you should prepare your mind that you are taking a life changing decision. Your life will change entirely. Your family will not be there. You have to do everything by your own. You will build your family there, you will build your friends there, you will have to do all those things again. So are you ready for it, or are you ready to take all the hard steps that are required in order to have a beautiful career in Canada or in any other country if you are going for? So think about it, then take the decision, and I wish you all the best. And in order to seek all these information that I had spoken about in this particular video, you can reach out to us, our counselors. We have Canada counselors also, we have Australia counselors also, UK, US, New Zealand. We have team for every country you wish for. So if you want to study in any of these countries, you can reach out to us. There is a link in the description that you can click, and our counselors will be more than happy to help. I shall see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.